here's a story by me. Uh, I didn't make this story. I just added regrettable characters. You may not believe it, but here's how it happened. One fine summer, a little bug sneezed. Because of that sneeze, a seed dropped down. I can't read my writing. Catch-oo! Because that seed dropped, a bug got hit. Because he got hit, that bug got mad. Because he got mad, he kicked the tree. Because of that kick, a coconut dropped. Because that had dropped, a flesh cousin got bopped. Because he got bopped, that flesh cousin named Fleshy fell on its back with a splash in a lake. Look at this. I'm so pro drawer. Because of that splash, a stat got wet. Because she got wet, she got mad. Because she got mad, that stat kicked the bucket. Because of that, dang, I can't read this. Because it went up, it came down. Because it came down, it hit Walter White. Okay, just dropped on his head, okay? Jesus, my writing sucks. And because he got stuck, Walter White phoned help for his. I can't read this. Dang it. Walter White phoned help when his iPhone 10000000. Because of his call, the police came speeding. Because they were speeding, they hit a stone. And because that, one girly cop flew up alone. And because she flew up, she had to come down. And because she came down, she landed on the boat Skibbity-Loo. And because she hit hard, she went right through. She made a big hole in Skibbity-Loo. And because that hole, the boat started to sink. And because that, well, what do you think? Stupid. Everyone started to yelp, and Mark White called for help. Oh my god, what a beautiful drawing. Because his phone call, Mark helped. Oh, more. Guys, I can't read. And because that, they called for more help. The help came, and he saved the town. And because of that, the rope, they didn't have to, so they just went to town. I can't read this, man. And because they went by 3, they crashed into a parade thing. And that's how it happened. Because of one simple sneeze. What a stupid bug. Could never be me.